Every day we deal with small problems that waste time, energy, and effort, whether it's charging devices, cleaning messes, carrying heavy items, or staying organized. But technology is now stepping in to fix these issues instantly. In this video, we're exploring 20 smart gadgets that are designed to solve everyday problems in just seconds. From powerful tools that simplify cleaning and mobility, to compact devices that boost productivity, comfort, and convenience, each invention is built to make life easier and faster. These aren't just futuristic ideas, they are real, practical solutions you can use today. Get ready to discover how simple gadgets are transforming daily life in surprising ways. The Rolling Square Supertiny is a compact charger built for people who want maximum power in the smallest possible size. Using advanced GaN technology, this tiny device delivers up to 65-watt charging output, making it powerful enough for laptops, smartphones, tablets, and many other USB-C gadgets. Its ultra-lightweight body makes it easy to carry in a pocket, backpack, or travel bag without adding bulk. Despite the miniature design, it supports fast charging standards for quick and efficient power delivery. The charger is also designed with heat management features to maintain stable performance during use. For travelers and remote workers, it removes the need to carry large charging bricks everywhere. Newer versions even increase output to 100 watt while staying impressively small. The Rolling Square Supertiny proves that charging technology is evolving fast, combining portability, speed, and convenience into one smart everyday gadget that fits almost anywhere with ease. Finding hidden objects outdoors can be exciting, but carrying separate tools often slows the whole experience down. This smart gadget combines a precise metal pinpointer with a detachable digging trowel, letting users detect and dig instantly without switching equipment. Its advanced 3D scanning system helps estimate the location and depth of buried objects before digging begins, saving time and effort. It can locate coins, jewelry, and larger metal items with strong accuracy. The IP68 waterproof design allows reliable use in mud, wet soil, riversides, and shallow water. USB-C charging and long battery life make it ready for long adventures. Adjustable sensitivity provides better control in different environments and terrains. Compact, practical, and easy to carry, this tool is built for treasure hunters, campers, and explorers who want faster results with less hassle during every outdoor search trip or hidden treasure mission. GlanzeGo. Missing important moments can happen in seconds, especially when reaching for a phone takes too long. This smart wearable headset solves that problem with a built-in POV camera and AI-powered controls for instant hands-free recording. Users can capture photos and videos naturally without stopping what they are doing or pressing multiple buttons. Designed for first-person viewing, it records exactly what the wearer sees, creating a more immersive and realistic perspective than traditional cameras. The headset design also combines camera, audio, and smart features into one compact device, reducing the need to carry extra gadgets. AI interaction adds convenience by helping users control functions quickly and smoothly while staying focused on the moment. Lightweight and practical, it is ideal for travel, adventures, sports, and daily life. This wearable gadget makes capturing memories faster, easier, and more natural while keeping both hands free at all times. COMANDI-EDC Mechanical Card Holder. Your everyday wallet can now do much more than carry cards and cash. The COMANDI-EDC Mechanical Card Holder is built from strong grade 5 titanium, offering durability with a lightweight premium feel. It securely stores up to 7 cards while maintaining a slim, pocket-friendly design. The standout feature is its smooth pop-up mechanism, allowing cards to slide out instantly with one press for quick and easy access. No more wasting time searching through a bulky wallet. It also includes a built-in multifunction tool card featuring useful tools like a bottle opener, screwdriver, pry bar, and SIM ejector pin for daily convenience. Some designs even convert into a phone stand, adding more practicality for travel or work. Combining storage, tools, and smart engineering in one small device, this gadget is perfect for modern everyday carry users who want less clutter, faster access, and more function from a single pocket essential accessory. Imagine carrying a giant personal screen everywhere without needing a TV or monitor. The VITURE Beast is an advanced XR glasses system designed for entertainment, gaming, and productivity on the go. Using dual micro OLED displays, it creates a virtual screen experience that feels incredibly large right in front of your eyes. Visual quality is sharp, colorful, and smooth, making movies, games, and work more immersive than standard portable screens. Its lightweight wearable design makes it comfortable for travel, flights, or small rooms where space is limited. Built-in spatial tracking allows the screen to stay fixed in place or move naturally with your head for easier viewing. It connects easily to smartphones, laptops, and gaming consoles, turning almost any location into a private cinema or portable workspace within seconds. The VITURE Beast is a smart solution for people who want bigger screens, less clutter, and premium viewing anywhere they go every day. What if walking uphill, climbing stairs, or carrying heavy loads felt almost effortless every day? The Hypershell X Ultra is a futuristic wearable exoskeleton designed to reduce fatigue and enhance movement in real time. Powered by a strong 1000-watt motor system, it assists your legs while walking, running, climbing, or hiking, helping you move with less effort. Its AI-driven motion technology uses smart sensors to detect body movement and automatically adjust support for a smooth, natural experience. Built for real-world conditions, it offers multiple intelligent modes for stairs, trails, mountains, sand, and other terrain types. Despite the advanced technology, the frame remains lightweight and durable with premium carbon fiber and titanium materials. Long battery life allows extended travel and outdoor use without constant recharging. Whether for adventure, work, or daily mobility, the Hypershell X Ultra transforms movement into a faster, easier, and more powerful experience with less physical strain daily. City noise, stress, and daily distractions can make quality sleep difficult every night. The Glocusent Mini Sound Machine N18 is a compact gadget designed to create a calmer environment wherever you are. Its portable size makes it ideal for bedrooms, hotels, offices, or travel use without taking much space. Despite the small body, it combines soothing soundscapes with soft ambient lighting for a relaxing multi-sensory experience. Users can choose from calming nature sounds, white noise, and other audio modes to mask background disturbances and promote rest. A gentle warm LED glow helps create a peaceful nighttime atmosphere that supports winding down naturally. Simple controls mean there is no complicated setup or need for mobile apps. Just power it on and enjoy instant comfort within seconds. The Glocusent Mini Sound Machine N18 is a smart everyday solution for better sleep, deeper relaxation, and improved focus during busy modern lifestyles each day. Mowing the lawn often takes more time than expected because trimming edges and avoiding obstacles can be frustrating. The Goalker H3 Pro is a smart robotic lawn mower designed to handle those problems automatically. Its advanced zero-gap edge cutting system allows the blades to mow extremely close to walls, fences, and borders, reducing the need for manual trimming. Using RTK satellite positioning and AI vision technology, it navigates with high precision even in areas where normal GPS struggles. The mower also features 360-degree obstacle detection, helping it safely avoid pets, toys, furniture, and other objects while working. One of its biggest advantages is wire-free setup, allowing users to create virtual boundaries through a mobile app instead of installing physical cables. Smart route planning, automatic scheduling, and slope climbing ability add more convenience. The Goalker H3 Pro transforms lawn care into a hands-free, efficient, and time-saving experience for modern homes today. Zensbuds AI is a smart earbud system designed to solve these everyday problems with real-time AI-powered features. Unlike regular wireless earbuds, it can translate conversations instantly, allowing you to speak in your native language while the other person hears it in theirs without noticeable delay. Supporting more than 40 languages, it is ideal for travel, business meetings, and global communication. Beyond translation, it can record conversations, convert speech into text, and automatically generate summaries, so you never miss important details or need manual note-taking. It also includes an AI voice assistant that helps manage tasks, search information, and control functions hands-free through Bluetooth. Everything works through a companion app that combines translation, recognition, and smart organization into one system. Zensbuds AI turns complex communication into a fast, simple, and highly efficient everyday experience for modern users everywhere. MIHOFIT Smart Elliptical is designed to solve these problems by bringing an efficient workout machine into your home. It focuses on low-impact cardio exercise that engages both upper and lower body muscles, helping you burn calories while protecting your joints. Its compact structure saves significant space compared to traditional gym equipment, making it suitable for small apartments and home setups. The silent magnetic resistance system ensures smooth and quiet operation, so you can work out anytime without disturbing others. It comes mostly pre-assembled, reducing setup time and making it easy to start immediately. Adjustable resistance levels allow users to control workout intensity based on their fitness goals. With smart app tracking for calories, distance, and time, It turns exercise into a simple, consistent, and data-driven routine for everyday home fitness improvement. Cleaning a swimming pool is usually a repetitive and time-consuming task, but the Aiper Scuba V3 is designed to change that completely. This advanced robotic pool cleaner uses AI-powered navigation with a front camera and smart sensors to detect debris and create efficient cleaning paths instead of moving randomly. It actively focuses on dirty areas, making the process faster and more precise. Its intelligent system can even analyze pool size, usage patterns, and past cleaning data to automatically optimize future cleaning cycles. The device is capable of cleaning the floor, walls, and waterline using strong suction power and dual brush technology that captures both large debris and fine particles. A cordless design adds convenience, while app control makes operation simple and flexible. After finishing, it automatically parks at the waterline for easy retrieval. The Aiper Scuba V3 turns pool maintenance into a fully automated, effortless, and time-saving everyday experience for homeowners. Humane Ai Pin. Everyday technology is slowly shifting away from traditional smartphone screens, and the Humane Ai Pin is one of the boldest attempts at that change. This wearable device is designed to replace constant phone usage with a more natural way of interacting through voice, gestures, and touch. It clips onto your clothing and works as a personal AI assistant that can handle calls, messages, translations, and quick information requests without needing a screen. One of its standout features is a laser projection system that can display simple data onto your palm for quick interaction. It also includes a camera, microphone, speaker, and sensors to understand context and respond intelligently. The goal is to reduce screen dependency and make digital interaction feel more seamless and less distracting in daily life. However, real-world use has shown mixed results in terms of speed and reliability. Still, it represents an early step towards screen-free wearable computing. SK05 Pro 2. Everyday emergencies often come down to two simple problems: no light and no battery. The Loopgear SK05 Pro 2 is an advanced EDC gadget designed to solve both issues in one compact device. It combines a powerful dual-beam flashlight system with spotlight mode for long-distance visibility and floodlight mode for wide-area illumination, delivering extremely bright output suitable for outdoor and emergency use. Alongside its lighting system, it features a built-in 8000 mAh battery that works as a USB-C power bank, allowing users to charge smartphones or other devices when needed. The design is compact, rugged, and pocket-friendly, making it ideal for daily carry and survival situations. It also includes smart controls, a magnetic tail for mounting, and durable aluminum construction for tough environments. By merging lighting, portability, and emergency charging, the SK05 Pro 2 removes the need for multiple tools and provides a reliable all-in-one solution for everyday preparedness and outdoor challenges. UGREEN AI NAS. Managing thousands of files across devices has become a major everyday problem, and the UGREEN AI NAS is designed to solve it in a smarter way. Unlike traditional storage systems, this device integrates a powerful local AI engine that processes and organizes data directly on the hardware, ensuring privacy without relying on cloud services. It introduces an intelligent assistant that allows users to interact with their files using simple natural language commands, such as searching photos, summarizing documents, or translating text instantly. Its AI-powered universal search can scan across photos, videos, and documents, even recognizing content inside files without needing exact names. The system also automates organization by grouping images, detecting duplicates, and generating summaries from meetings or notes. Powered by high-performance processors, it delivers fast and smooth local processing. Overall, the UGREEN AI NAS turns traditional storage into an intelligent personal cloud that simplifies data management and makes information instantly accessible. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is a compact filmmaking device designed to solve a major problem for creators: capturing professional quality video without carrying bulky camera gear. This pocket-sized gimbal camera now features a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor, delivering sharper detail and improved low-light performance for more cinematic results. It supports up to 4K at 240 fps, enabling ultra-smooth slow-motion footage that was once limited to high-end production cameras. A major upgrade is its built-in 107 GB internal storage, removing the need for external memory cards and simplifying workflow. The camera also includes AI-powered ActiveTrack 7.0, which automatically keeps subjects in focus even during fast movement, while the 3-axis stabilization ensures steady footage while walking or vlogging. With 10-bit D-Log support, creators get more flexibility in color grading and editing. Overall, it turns advanced filmmaking into a simple, portable experience that fits easily in your pocket for everyday content creation. Knee pain, fatigue, and loss of energy during walking or climbing stairs are common everyday problems, especially during long physical activity. The PowrKnee Exoskeleton is a smart, wearable robotics device designed to solve this issue by giving your legs extra support in real time. It functions as an AI-powered knee assist system that enhances natural movement instead of restricting it. Using advanced motion sensors, it detects how you move within milliseconds and automatically adjusts support based on each step. This makes the assistance feel smooth and natural, like your legs are getting a gentle boost when needed. It provides adaptive knee support that reduces strain while climbing uphill, eases pressure during downhill walking, and helps during standing or sitting movements. Designed for hiking, travel, daily walking, and outdoor work, it helps users move longer distances with less effort. The PowrKnee Exoskeleton improves endurance, reduces fatigue, and makes everyday movement lighter and more efficient. The AI-powered desktop companion robot is designed to solve a modern everyday problem, staying productive while reducing clutter and distractions on your workspace. Instead of being just another gadget, it transforms your desk into an interactive and responsive environment. It connects with your smartphone or system, using it as its main brain and display source. Once activated, it displays expressive animated eyes and uses smooth motorized movement to face you, creating a more natural and engaging interaction compared to static devices. It focuses on AI-assisted productivity by helping manage tasks like summarizing emails, organizing reminders, and supporting meetings and workflow activities. By using connected camera and microphone inputs, it understands context and responds intelligently to what you are doing on your desk. It can also act as a charging hub, helping reduce cable clutter. Overall, it combines robotics and AI to make daily work more organized, interactive, and efficient. Cleaning dust, crumbs, leaves, and debris is usually a slow and repetitive task, but the new cordless air blasting cleaning system is designed to change that completely. It uses a high-speed airflow technology that can reach up to 190 miles per hour, making it powerful enough to clear fine dust indoors and remove heavier debris like leaves outdoors. Instead of relying on multiple tools, it combines different cleaning functions into one compact device with interchangeable attachments. A precision nozzle helps clean tight spaces, an extension wand reaches difficult areas, and a special sweeping style attachment turns air into a more controlled cleaning flow. Being cordless and lightweight makes it easy to use around the house, garage, car, or patio without restriction. The main idea is to replace scrubbing and slow vacuuming with instant air power, allowing users to clean faster and with less effort. It represents a shift toward more efficient and time-saving everyday cleaning solutions.